Hello there, my name is Marcy, and in this video I am going to show you how easy it is to make this really cool wall art just using ink and coffee. You can make this for your art, for your journal, for whatever you'd like. So let's get started. First, I just took a piece of mixed media paper. I'm gonna link all the materials I used below. But what I did here was just wet the paper and try to make it as dark as I could because I wanted a nice contrast with the black ink. So I just keep playing and adding and making sure that it was wet, but that it wasn't super wet. And then I just took my Staz own ink and just dropped some of them into the wet coffee, and this is what happened. You can see all those spider kind of web looking veins spreading across and all around it, and I really like it, and how it repelled the coffee so it appeared white around it. To me, that was really cool. And then I decided to kick it a little bit up and kick it a notch up, or whatever the expression is, and added some salt and some dried instant coffee on top of it. Then I took my Tombow spray and I just got it a little bit wet to see how that ink will react, but it didn't. It had already dried, so it reacted with the coffee and the salt, and that was pretty cool. Then I just took my kind of dirty water here, and I wanted some light circles and some dark ones, so I took the water and made the light ones, and this is what happened when it was really wet. That to me is just magic. But it was pretty cool looking at it and seeing what emerged from it. Then you can see that in the first one it wasn't that wet, so it didn't spread as much. So I just kept playing with it and seeing what was happening here. It looked pretty cool to me, so I just kept playing. This wasn't planned at all. I just had a few minutes to play while my husband took the 3 boys out for a bike run or just to play outside. Here in Madrid we have an hour to go out during the day, so we try to do it in the afternoon when it's a little bit, chilly, because otherwise it's super hot during the day. But anyhow, I just added here a little bit more of a darker shade of coffee, and I re-wetted the first one because it looked really plain to me. It looked like a weird fish eye, and that was kind of weird. So I just kept wetting all of them, and sometimes you're gonna see that I bring my brush back into the little circle and take the moisture out, like right here, because it was too wet. So anyhow, I just added salt on those two, and that was it. This is how they look like. The salt does a pretty cool effect. And these 3 will look really pretty together on a wall. And I meant 3 because I played a little bit more. It's just that my phone was weird and didn't record it. But look how pretty that is. They kind of look like planets or something, like, I don't know, space related. And then with the last one, I just doodle on top of it to make it a little bit different. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and don't miss another video. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.